Hi guys, summers are back. So let's try something refreshing. I'm going to show you how to make strawberry kudas. The ingredients are, these are mint leaves, black salt, sugar, this can be optional. If you want to, you can. Some ice cubes, lemon juice, strawberries, and this is apple juice. So let's get started. I'll pour everything in the blender. Let me add some ice cubes, some mint leaves, little bit of sugar, strawberries, lime juice, a pinch of black salt, apple juice. Now let's blend this all together. Now blend all this together.